Okay, here we have it. My unit and Zeus. This is it. This is somewhere I've had for about 3 weeks now, but just get stuff sorted. But yeah, I've been after the unit for 10 years easy, since I was messing about with cars with my mates, figuring out what it is that we wanted to do, where we wanted to go. But yeah, this is the point that it's come down to, so I'm pretty excited. Managed to move some of my stuff from my garage over here. Not everything's come over yet, but this is the important stuff. Everything that I need to work more or less is here now. Got a couple other bits, but they're not important. So this is where we're going to go from here. Got a car in at the minute. I'll show you that. This is pretty cool. So I've been on with this for a while, but this needs to be done by next weekend. So as you can see in here, we've got one fancy turbo, big Pulsar turbo. Couldn't tell you the size off the top of my head because I don't know. Nice wing exit, but yeah, I've had this car for a while now, slowly chipping away at it. I've made the manifold for it and everything, but we'll show you all that in another video when we get down to it. But this is what we're working with. We've got a good space. This is just to give you an idea where I moved out of. What's underneath this floor in here is more or less that size. So everything else that you see is the room that I've gained, and I don't have to work outside anymore, which is really nice. But yeah, got a couple of ideas for what we want to do and where I want to go with the channel, what we're going to show off, you know, just building cool stuff, really. Cool stuff that's going to go fast, do fun things. Going to have a cool, pretty cool video of putting the ramp up, because what I'm going to have to do is dig out a big square here. So more or less where that line is there, probably square it off there. I might bring it a bit further up, to be honest. But yeah, I'm going to dig out all that, get a nice level concrete floor in. I'm also going to sink the ramp into it a bit as well, because obviously I'm going to have a lot of low cars in here, make an exhaust room and whatever they need. So it's pretty important that I need the ramp to be able to get under everything that I need to work on. So that's the plan. And yeah, I've got a lot of stuff. Got that racking that's up there. I'm going to bring that down and throw that up against the wall. Put everything, you know, right next to me where I need it. But I'm thinking having this area down the side here as like a little work area. And then, you know, the ramp's going to be roughly here-ish. Then cars can come in, go straight up on the ramp, make me exhaust room, whatever they need doing, work on them, whatever. Get all that done there and then. And down this side, you can have the projects, my projects, anyone's projects, whatever else we're working on. Got a bit of other space, but it's not the biggest unit in the world. But it'll definitely do me for now. It's certainly a start. I can see a lot of cool things going on here. So yeah, stick around, find out where we go with it, see lots more of Zeus being a good boy sometimes. And yeah, come along for the ride. I'll try my best to film as much of it as I can, and yeah, we'll do some cool stuff. It'll be good. I'm very excited to see where this is going to take us. And I'll see you in the next video. We'll be finishing off this. All we've got left to do to it now is exhaust. That's pretty much done. It's only tacked together for now, so video welding that up. I've got to make a bracket to hold it together because it's heavy, and I need to do the boost pipe and the wastegate for it. So I've had a nice delivery off to Turbo Zentrum today. That's more or less everything that I need to get it done. So over this next week, it's got to be done by next Sunday. So over the next week I'll be cracking on and yeah, getting that finished. But yeah, thanks very much. I'll see you in the next one.